As of 2025, Spotify is not natively available as a downloadable app on EETV boxes. This creates a challenge for users who want to stream their favorite music through their television setup. EETV boxes run on a modified Android TV platform with a restricted app store that doesn't include major music streaming services like Spotify. This limitation stems from EE's curated app ecosystem and Spotify's selective platform distribution strategy. However, there are several effective workarounds to access Spotify on your EETV. Let's explore each method and how to implement them. The first method is Spotify Connect via your mobile device. This allows you to control Spotify on your phone or tablet and play it through external speakers or an audio system connected to your TV. This works best with Spotify Premium. Screen mirroring or casting is another effective method. Android devices can use built-in screen mirroring features like Smart View, while iPhones can use AirPlay mirroring if you have a compatible receiver. Keep in mind that the quality depends on your Wi-Fi strength and device capabilities. You can also connect a laptop or computer to your TV via HDMI cable for full access to the Spotify web player. This method provides the highest quality but requires additional hardware and setup. Bluetooth audio streaming allows you to pair your mobile device with your TV's Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming. This method provides audio only without visual interface on the TV screen. Finally, you can explore alternative music apps that are available on EETV, such as YouTube Music or Amazon Music. While these provide basic music streaming with a TV interface, their music catalogs and features may differ from Spotify. While Spotify isn't natively available on EETV boxes, these workarounds provide various ways to enjoy your music through your television setup. Choose the method that best fits your hardware setup and preferences. The streaming landscape is rapidly evolving, and several industry trends are shaping the future of music integration with television platforms. Voice control integration is becoming increasingly important, with users expecting seamless voice-activated music control across all their devices. Cross-platform compatibility is another major trend, as consumers want their music to follow them seamlessly between phones, TVs, speakers, and other connected devices. Looking at potential future developments, market pressure could drive a partnership between EE and Spotify, especially as competitors offer more comprehensive app ecosystems. Google's push for more open app ecosystems on Android TV could also pave the way for Spotify's eventual availability on EETV boxes. While waiting for these potential developments, there are several practical alternatives you can implement today to get Spotify on your TV. Dedicated streaming devices like the Roku Streaming Stick or Amazon Fire TV Stick offer native Spotify support and can supplement your EETV box perfectly. Smart speakers provide another excellent solution, offering voice-controlled music playback that integrates seamlessly with your existing setup. For long-term solutions, consider evaluating TV providers with broader app ecosystems or upgrading to a smart TV with built-in Spotify support. Currently, Spotify Connect remains the most seamless option for premium users, while screen mirroring and HDMI connections provide reliable alternatives for enjoying Spotify on your EETV.